to download Crunchyroll on Android. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can download the Crunchyroll on Android. So if you want to download the Crunchyroll on your Android device, this is a very easy process. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can do that. First of all, you have to go and open up your Google Play Store and you have to tap it on to open it. Open it. After that, you have to search for the Crunchyroll on the search bar. Once you have searched for the Crunchyroll, here you will look for the option of Crunchyroll in the search of result, which adds the orange logo. You can see that. After that, you have to tap on the app and open its page. And here you have to tap on the install button, wait for the app to download and install, which may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily download the Crunchyroll on your Android device. Once the Crunchyroll has been successfully installed, you have to tap on the open option to open the app. So here you can see that you have successfully installed the Crunchyroll app on your device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.